Hello, I'm Eddie, and I want to introduce you to a great application called eBanqr for managing financial institutions. It could be microfinance, it could be microcredit. And eBanqr is an interesting application because it's a centralized application that allows for centralized and efficient management of services of these financial institutions. It's delivered as a software as a service, meaning that financial institutions need to subscribe to it and they access it from wherever as long as they have internet access. As you can see, this is the demo page shown by the URL. You see demo.ebanker.com. Now, if a financial institution subscribes to it, the financial institution will have a unique name .ebanker.com, and that would give them access to their secure data on the platform. Now, the starting point of using the application is the login page. And once you go to the unique URL that you'll be given, you will find this login page. On the login page, you have a username and a password field. Once you provide that information, you'll be able to sign in. For any reason, if you forget the username or you forget the password, you'll be able to use the forgotten password menu here at the bottom of the login page. So the first starting point is to log in. Now, on logging in, your first page is the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you see a lot of icons which represent the various modules on the platform. You have client management, group management, loan management, savings management, fixed deposits, and you have other features such as reporting, analytics, data management, audit trails, and all these are appearing because of the access level of the user I logged in with. Now, this user has full access as an admin, so you practically see all the various modules. And basically, if you look at the interface, the menus have been organized in such a way that a user can have various ways of working. So you can choose to work either through the icons or through the menus at the top, the menus at the side, which I'll introduce you to. So, as an overview, after login, you have the option to use the menus at the top, which I'll refer to as the main menu. Now, on the main menu, you have this eBanker logo, and it's a logo that whenever you click on it, regardless of whatever point you are in the application, it will send you back to the dashboard. So I click on eBanker, I'll come back to the dashboard. Now you have all these menus for clients, products, accounting, reports, analytics, and so on. Now, if I click on any of these menus at the top or in the main menu, I get sub menus, and the sub menus also give you other functionalities that you can have access to. Now, if you see a menu which has a small triangle, this pointing down at the side, that it means that there's a sub menu. If you see one pointing to the right, it means there's a sub menu to the right, and it goes on and on. Now, also, whenever you are in on a particular page, you also have a header menu, which is like which gives you shortcuts to common functions relating to the page you are on. So you can also look at that. For instance, for most users, they are either creating a new client or entering transactions or creating a new loan application. So these appear on the dashboard in addition to all the other menus that we have. Now, when you also go to a particular record, for instance, if I'm on a client's page, there are record menus that you are given depending on the record that you are showing. So these will appear on the particular page, and this is just done so that you are not overwhelmed with so many menus and so on, and you have access to menus based on the particular page or information you are accessing. If you look at the right side also, you see a rotating gear. This gives you access to a quick launch menu, and the quick launch menu allows you to jump between modules. So for instance, I'm on a client's page, I can go to loan management, I can go to savings management, I can go to accounting using the quick launch. So on any page, I can click on the rotating gear and I can have access to the quick launch menu. Another feature, for instance, if I go to client management, the whole page is a page menu. So depending on the module I'm in, if I'm on the module's main page, I will have access to another menu that will allow me, or on the page that will allow me to access various functions of the particular module. Now, another important feature is also the search, which appears on all pages as long as it's in the top menu. Now, for the search, I'll be able to search for any record, be it a client, a loan, a group, and so on. All I need to do is to enter a name, a phone number, or an account number. So, for example, if I start typing a client's name, the system automatically searches for, after the first three letters, it searches for the client that has the name or account that has the name in it. So I have the options, and I can select the one I want, or I can also click on the small search icon, and then I can choose what I want, whether it's a client I'm looking for, a group, or a savings account, and so on. So this is how the search works, and you have access on any page that you are on. Lastly, I also have another menu which is at the top right corner, and this relates to the particular user. So for instance, I'm logged in as T user, and I can have access to my till, I can have access to my profile where I can change my password, I can have access to the documentation of the application, or I can log out. Now, also in the right side of the dashboard, you have a task menu where you have checker inbox. Now, the checker inbox relates to the maker checker functionality of this application. This will be explained further in other videos. But what it does is that the feature ensures that there are 4 pairs of eyes for every action. So for instance, if it's enabled, somebody makes an action and then somebody has to approve. So the checker, if for instance I'm a checker, it means that I am the one who has to approve actions of other users. I'll see various tasks relating to my checker functionality or my checker access level in this inbox. I also have other things such as expected payments and so on. You can have loans pending approval, savings pending approval. You can have client and group approval, and all in this right hand menu. So generally, all these menus give easy access to records and also allows the user to perform actions without jumping through or going through too many menus, and it makes the whole application very easy to use. This has been a general overview, and thank you for your time. See you in other videos. Bye.